Hey everyone, welcome back today. We're diving into the wonderful world of wooden crafts. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, there's something magical about creating with wood. So grab your tools, and let's get started. First off, let's talk about why wood is such a fantastic medium for crafting. Each piece of wood has its own unique grain, color, and texture. It tells a story, and that's what makes every project special. From the rich hues of mahogany to the light tones of pine, the variety is endless. Plus, working with wood gives you a sense of connection to nature that's hard to replicate with other materials. Now, let's go over some essential tools for wooden crafting. If you're just starting out, you don't need a full workshop. A few basic tools will do the trick. You'll want a good saw, whether it's a hand saw or a power saw, some chisels, sandpaper, and a drill. As you progress, you can add more specialized tools like routers or lathes. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive tools, it's about how you use them. Alright, let's jump into some simple projects that are perfect for beginners. First up is a wooden coaster set. All you need is some scrap wood and a saw. Cut them into your desired shape, sand them down, and finish with a protective coat. They make great gifts too. Next, we have a birdhouse. This project allows you to practice cutting and assembling while creating something that will attract wildlife to your yard. And finally, consider making a small shelf or wall art piece. These projects are not only functional but also allow for creativity. Once you've completed your wooden piece, it's time to think about finishing touches. Staining or painting can enhance the natural beauty of wood and protect it from wear and tear. There are so many finishes available, from oils to varnishes, each offering different looks and levels of protection. Don't rush this step, take your time to choose what fits your style best. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to ensure your woodworking projects are successful. Always measure twice and cut once. This classic advice saves time and materials. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. And finally, take your time. Woodworking is as much about the journey as it is about the finished product. Wood is a renewable resource when sourced responsibly from sustainably managed forests. This means that as long as trees are replanted, wood can be harvested without depleting natural resources. Carbon sequestration: trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as they grow, helping to mitigate climate change. Using wood in products can help store carbon for years. Natural beauty: wood has a unique grain pattern and color that adds warmth and character to any space. Each piece of wood is different, making wooden items one of a kind. Versatility in design: wood can be shaped, stained, or painted to fit various design aesthetics, from rustic to modern. Strong material. Many types of wood are incredibly strong and durable, making them ideal for furniture, flooring, and structural applications. Aging gracefully, wood can develop a beautiful patina over time, enhancing its appearance rather than detracting from it. Air quality improvement. Wood can help regulate humidity levels in a room, which can improve indoor air quality. It naturally absorbs moisture and releases it when the air is dry. Natural insulator. Wood is a natural insulator, helping to maintain comfortable temperatures in homes and reducing energy costs. Therapeutic benefits. Working with wood can be a meditative and therapeutic experience. Many people find joy and satisfaction in creating something with their hands. Skill development. Woodworking helps develop various skills, including planning, measuring, cutting, and finishing, which can be rewarding both personally and professionally. Local economy support. Purchasing locally sourced wood supports local economies and reduces transportation costs and emissions. Job creation. The woodworking industry creates jobs in forestry, manufacturing, and retail sectors. Customization. Personalization. Wooden items can be easily customized to fit individual preferences or specific needs. This is especially true for handcrafted wooden products. Unique gifts. Handmade wooden gifts are often cherished for their uniqueness and the effort put into crafting them. Environmentally friendly disposal. At the end of its life cycle, wood is biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly option compared to plastic or synthetic materials. Acoustic properties. Wood has excellent sound-absorbing qualities, making it a popular choice for musical instruments and acoustic panels. Wide range of applications. Wood can be used for furniture, cabinetry, flooring, decorative items, toys, and more. Its versatility makes it suitable for numerous projects. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of wooden crafts. I hope you feel inspired to pick up some wood and start creating. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafting content. I'd love to see your projects, so share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting.